Hello, in this video lecture, we are going to see what is differentiation. We will learn some basics of differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation का मतलब होता है कि किसी एक फंक्शन का डिफरेंस फाइंड करना with respect to the depending variable. I'll explain this with using graph. मान लो y is function of x, so x is depending variable, y will vary with respect to x. So अगर हम कोई फंक्शन लेते हैं x का like this, then हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि जैसे जैसे x चेंज होगा उसके वजह से y में कितना चेंज होगा. So basically we write differentiation as dy by dx. So this is the representation of differentiation of y with respect to x. Now ये कैसे निकालते हैं हम अभी देखेंगे. अगर हमने कोई पॉइंट लिया x, so for this value of x हमें y कितना मिल रहा है, we can say this as y. Now अभी हम x में एकदम स्मॉल चेंज करेंगे, so we will call this change as delta x. So हमने x में delta x का चेंज किया and now we get x plus delta x, right? So for this value of x, that is x plus delta x, we get y as some different value of y. We'll call this as y plus delta y. Now अगर y f of x का फंक्शन है, then y plus delta y कितना होगा, f of x plus delta x. So dy is basically change in y and dx is change in x. So we can write dy as y plus delta y minus y. Y plus delta y minus y. And what is dx? X plus delta x minus x. Minus x. What is y? Y is function of x. So we can write y plus delta y equal to f of x plus delta x. This is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Y is f of x. And this is x cancel हो जाएगा, delta x रहेगा बस. Now this delta x is very small, so we have to put limit for delta x which is tending to 0. So if you have to write dfx by dx, that is differentiation of function x with respect to variable x equal to limit delta x tends to 0, because ये जो डिफरेंस है ये बहुत स्मॉल है, so we are giving limit delta x equal to delta x tending to 0. So this is the representation of differentiation of f of x with respect to x. So this is the basic definition of differentiation. काफी सिंपल है ना. इसकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज है. फर्स्ट वन इज if this f of x is multiplied by some constant s and we have to differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiation of f of x, that is multiplied by s. हमने इस f of x को s से मल्टीप्लाई किया है some constant with respect to x. So it is equal to s into differentiation of f of x with respect to x. So बस कांस्टेंट बाहर आ जाएगा वो और डिफरेंशिएशन से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. Now second case, if we are adding two functions and then taking their differentiation, so differentiation of f1x plus f2x with respect to variable x, it is given by कुछ नहीं, बस ये ब्रैकेट एक्सपांड हो जाएगा such that differentiation of first function with respect to x plus differentiation of second function with respect to x. अगर एफ ऑफ एक्स f1x और f2x का प्रोडक्ट है अंदर, तो क्या करेंगे, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ f1x with respect to x is given by f2x into differentiation of first function with respect to x plus f1x into differentiation of second function with respect to x. काफी important property है ये. Now this was in multiplication, so it could be also division. Now what if differentiation of f1x f2x with respect to function variable x, it is simply written as 1 by f2 x into differentiation of f of x f1x with respect to x minus 1 by f2 square, sorry, f2x का whole square multiplied by f1x into differentiation of second function with respect to x. So this is when differentiation is differentiation of two function with when they are in when they are divided. Now differentiation of f of g of x, that is one function is a variable of second function, it is given by f dash g of x into g dash x. This f dash g of x means, or g dash x means differentiation of g of x with respect to x. So we can write the differentiation of function f of function x with respect to x as f dash x equal to d. This is basically representation of differentiation function. So these are the properties of differentiation. Now we will look at some common functions differentiation. Like if function is x raised to power n, then its differentiation is given by n into x raised to power n minus 1. This is the differentiation of x raised to power n with respect to x. Yeah, there is another property of differentiation, that is if we have to differentiate with respect to some another variable, then suppose d by dt of f of x can be written as d by dx of f of x multiplied by dx by dt. Got it? First we differentiate with respect to x, then we differentiate x with respect to t. So this is also important property. We will need this in further concepts, like when we have to find velocity and acceleration, we will have to differentiate it with respect to time t. Now this was our first. Then second, differentiation of e की power x with respect to x. E raised to power x remains same when it is differentiated with respect to x. So there is no change in differentiation. So e raised to power x when differentiated with respect to x gives e raised to power x. Now third function, if differentiation of log of x. So d by dx of ln x, this is x. काफी सिंपल है. ln x का डिफरेंशिएशन होगा 1 by x. Now we will look at differentiation function of trigonometric function. Differentiation of trigonometric function. So fourth one, we'll first consider sin x. इसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो जाएगा? dy dx of sin x equal to cos x. Now also cos x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस साइन एक्स, देन dy dx of tan x is sec square x. Now we will see differentiation of sec function. It is sec x tan x. dy dx of cosec x equal to minus cosec x into cot x. And last one, dy dx of cot x इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे tan x का sec स्क्वायर था, sec स्क्वायर x था, सो cot x का डिफरेंशिएशन हो जाएगा माइनस cosec स्क्वायर x. So these you have to learn. It is important when whenever we have to find the differentiation of trigonometric function or this regular function. So this is differentiation. That's it. Thank you.